Refinishing scuffed up, scratched up, engineered wood floor in Gainesville, Florida. It's not too bad. So here we are back the next day after chemically refinishing engineered wood floor, and this is a result. This is a satin finish, but still it's pretty shiny. Of course, this isn't going to do anything for cupping in the boards or deep scratches. It's just simply chemically softening the existing finish on the engineered flooring and then recoating. However, we'll take a dull floor with minor scratches back to a nice looking finish.